Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to repost on TikTok. So first thing that you will do is simply open the TikTok application into your device. And now guys, if you want to repost something, you can just simply tap on the share button on the right side of the screen over here. Tap on it. And now from here, a pop-up will show up and you should be able to see here the repost icon on the left side of the screen, the yellow one. So tap on that. And from here, as you can see, just simply tap on OK and you'll be able to repost it. And when we go to the profile at the bottom right corner of the screen, as you can see here on the repost category, we should be able to see it over here. And now from there, you should be able to repost it. And there you go. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below and we will try our best to answer your question. And thanks for watching. See ya.